Push. What going now? Yeah man, you don't know things set though. Yeah man, Jamaican Sunrise TV there. You see it? I say I don't know, you know, just some little coconut sucker and I show no what go on, you see it? Yeah man, this is how it look. Yeah man, say you don't know, this you plant, you know, and get the coconut tree. You see it? And when you get the coconut tree, you don't know, say, you know, you get some jelly, and if you make the jelly stay on the tree and dry like this, you get coconut. And how you get this, you know, when the coconut dry upon the tree and nobody no pick it and it drop, yeah, I saw the tree farm out in the coconut, you see it? And I say, yeah man. And I say, if you forward a yard and want to set up your place, you see it, I want to plant some coconut tree, you can link me, you see it? Yeah man, 2501. Yeah man, 2005 but if you buy like some wholesale, like you buy like a 10, you know me can give you 2 grand a one though. Yeah man, see how them look. Nice coconut tree. Plant them anywhere in your yard and no worry, because them are grown tall. Yeah. So coconut turn up there and dry and drop. Yeah man, you don't know the sun they do that. You see it? Yeah man, good old coconut, see it? And him this. See him? Yeah man. Good old coconut, you see it? Yeah man, you see here? See me make this stand a gun look a bit longer. This is a farmer tree because see the tree this is come out here now, you know. Yeah man. But him still good, you see him pretty. Yeah man. So things set man, you see it? So me I say if you forward a yard and want to set up a place, or if you even the yard there I want to set up a place same way I want some coconut sucker, you can link up, you see it? Yeah man, link up Jamaican Sunrise TV, you see it? Yeah, don't know things yet. Let me say 25 gear one, and you don't know. If you buy over 10 or you buy 10, you don't know a 2 grand for one. You see them now? Using a Jamaican coconut tree. You see it? Yeah man, I say things yet. Yeah man, Jamaican coconut, look on them good. Yeah man, coconut tree, you see them tall? Yeah man, in firm, I not tell about no wicked coconut tree. You plant this, in a some mud wall, that good. Yeah man, but right now I'm out.